How to remove Spotify friend activity in 2022. In this video, I am going to show you how you can remove friend activity on Spotify in 2022. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up the Spotify application on your desktop, laptop, or PC. After opening of Spotify, you're going to look or go for the account option at the right upper hand side of the screen, and which you are going to click on the arrow down button. There is going to appear a dialog box and which you are going to look for the option settings. After clicking on the settings option, a new page would appear in which there are a series of options, out of which you are going to look for the display option. In the display option, just beneath it, there are two more things. Show desktop overlay when using media keys and see what your friends are playing. You just have to uncheck see what your friends are playing. I have already have this thing unchecked, but I will do it again so you guys know. See, after unchecking this, I have removed the friends activity. This is how you do it. If you find this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you my friends. Till next time.